All right, guys, so one of the most common questions we get, actually a couple common questions, one of them being, does my floor or my shop floor need to be perfectly smooth? Well, we're out here in the parking lot, actually in the road, and you can see with the floor or the road that it's corrugated, right? So it doesn't have to be perfectly smooth, okay? Another common question is gonna be, what size air compressor can I purchase? Because mobile guys, they want the tower, but they're unsure if a Pancake air compressor is enough suction to be able to make the pull tower work. So right now we're gonna do a demonstration using a Pancake air compressor in the parking lot to show you guys that this tower is the best on the market. All right, so we got the air compressor hooked up. We're gonna notice this dial, making sure that it doesn't drop too low, okay? So far we have this running for about close to a minute now. Still have the same amount of suction. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the crown holder. You know, better yet, let's do it without the crown holder because we know that this gives us 20% more pulling power. So let's just do it without it so you can see the power, okay? All right, now I want to kind of canter this just a little bit. Pretty good there. We're about rubbed out. Come along with our blending hammer here. See, yes, you can use the Pancake air compressor, and yes, you can use it, the tower, on corrugated floors, right? So your body shop, it doesn't have to be perfect. If you're a mobile guy working in parking lots, this K tower will perform. Now, going over the air compressors, this did a pretty decent job. But one thing I want to make sure you guys are aware of is the gauge. So while I'm working with this tower, I want to look over to this air compressor, making sure that this PSI gauge doesn't drop below 30. Right? Once it gets closer to 30, I'm going to hit that shut up valve on the K tower, let this recycle and build up again. Now you're going to have really good results with a air compressor that has about 3.0 CFM. Okay, that has a faster cycle rate. Okay, so if I was in the market choosing an air compressor, definitely go with the one with the higher CFM. Okay, so guys, check out the tower. It's going to be perfect for if you're in the parking lot or if you're in a body shop that has a rough floor.